Airalo Tunisia eSIM, my honest review and user experience. Traveling to Tunisia? Staying connected is essential, and Airalo's eSIM promises instant mobile data without the hassle of physical SIM cards. I tested it myself, and here's my honest review. Most people get this wrong, assuming local SIMs are always cheaper or faster. The surprising truth about Airalo is its convenience. With just a few taps, I activated a Tunisia eSIM directly on my phone, no local store visits required. The setup took less than 5 minutes, and I was online immediately. Coverage was excellent across Tunis, South and other major cities. Data speeds averaged 30 Mbps, which is sufficient for navigation, streaming and staying in touch with family. I didn't experience downtime, and switching between local towers was seamless. Airalo offers multiple plans depending on data needs. I chose a OB plan for a 15-day trip, and the price was competitive compared to buying a local SIM. Top-ups are easy through the app, eliminating surprises or extra trips to a store. The only limitation is that eSIM compatibility depends on your phone. Modern iPhones, Android devices and certain models support it, but older devices may require a physical SIM. In conclusion, Airalo's Tunisia eSIM is fast, convenient and cost-effective for travellers. If you want instant connectivity without hunting for a local SIM, it's a great choice. With Airalo, staying online in Tunisia is effortless and reliable.